Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio, and today's video is for the hashtag art event. It's hashtag Love Summer Art Reboot, and lots of artists are creating something inspired by what they love about summer. This page started out as a clean-off page. I was creating some ATCs using this gouache that I've never really used before, and I didn't want to waste all the paint, so I smushed it onto just a sketch pad and figured I would work with it. And as I was thinking about what I wanted to do for hashtag Love Summer Art, I'm looking at this and thinking it looks like a mountain scene. So that's what I'm creating. I just went around in areas with my Stabilo All pencil, and now I'm activating that with water, creating shadows and interest, and we're going to create a mountain scene. So the hashtag event happens all day today. Of course, the videos will be up forever. In fact, if you just search hashtag Love Summer Art, you'll find old ones from previous years. It's been a little while since we've done one of these, and I'm really excited to see how this one goes. I'm pretty sure a lot of people are excited about it and are creating pieces for this particular event. So I will put a link to a playlist, but you can also just search the hashtag Love Summer Art Reboot and find artists that are creating things inspired by summer, or what they think about when they think about love summer art. And yeah, that's what I was thinking about. And this gouache is really interesting because it's a watercolor base, I guess, water reactive. I'm just dipping into it and using it for the sky. How's that? So now I'm just kind of fiddling with it, trying to see how I can get it to look more realistic. I think we should just suspend our disbelief and enjoy what's happening on the paper. Oh, I think I decided those trees should be green. Just to help it be believable, I guess. Might have got a little carried away with the green paint. So now I grabbed a little bit of white, just white acrylic paint, and am just lightly trying to go lightly over the surface of the water so that it looks like water. I think I end up doing a lot of fiddling with this water. Because see, now I decided it's too light. And now I'm taking some blue in there. And toning it back down. I know you're going to say, didn't you just do that? And didn't you just cover that up? It happens, you know? So I decided it needed more going on right there. Not that it wasn't busy enough, but just some sort of movement there. So Just scribbled with my Stabilo and darkened it. Just putting more green on the hillside. So now I've got my Posca white fine line, and yep, going back, making it look more like water again. Thought I would try and highlight a little bit, and I put it on a few of them, but not sure how I feel about that. I know a few artists that they highlight everything, but I don't know. You'll have to tell me what you think. Too much white pen? Maybe. I know what you're going to say when I pull out my brush. Yeah. I just needed some darks to go with the light. I don't know. But I think I do like this better than having the white edges like I had. And then I felt like it needed something because it's so busy. Why not add something else? So I thought I would add a word. This is what I like to do when I go, or when it's summer, go exploring. Go explore nature. So, do a little fine detail on this word, and that'll be it. Don't forget to check the link below for the playlist for the hashtag event, hashtag Love Summer Art Reboot, and or you can just search it, hashtag Love Summer Art Reboot, and find lots of fun art. And remember, I post early Mountain Standard Time. People in a lot of different time zones, international, will be posting throughout the day. So you can always check again later for more art. Thank you for watching. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, share with your friends. And as always, if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.